We'll guide you through how to make opening curtain transition in After Effects. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Adobe After Effects on your computer and wait for the program to load completely. After the workspace appears, create a new composition to begin your project. Set the composition settings you need, then confirm to open the timeline. Next, import 2 video clips from your computer into the project panel. After the clips have been imported, place both clips in the timeline so they are ready for the transition. Put the first clip on the top layer in the timeline and place the second clip below it. Once the clips are arranged, create 2 shape layers that will act as curtains. Use the shape tools to make tall vertical rectangles that can cover the screen. Place one curtain shape on the left side of the composition and place the other curtain shape on the right side. Adjust both shapes so they meet near the center and hide the second clip behind them. After placing the curtain layers, select both curtain layers in the timeline. Press P on the keyboard to open the position property. Enable keyframes by clicking the stopwatch next to position for both curtain layers. This creates the first keyframes at the current playhead location. Keep the curtains closed at the start of the transition. Next, move the playhead forward to the point where the transition should finish. Animate both curtains opening outward by changing their position values. Move the left curtain farther to the left side, and move the right curtain farther to the right side. New keyframes will be created automatically, causing the curtains to slide open during playback. As the curtains open, reveal the second clip behind them, so the next scene appears through the center. Continue adjusting the positions until the curtains move fully off the visible screen area. After setting the movement, preview the result by playing the timeline from the beginning of the transition. Watch carefully to make sure both curtains open smoothly at the same speed and reveal the second clip cleanly. Adjust the keyframes if needed for timing or movement distance. If desired, you can also change the curtain colors to match your project style. Once everything looks correct, add the composition to the render queue. Click Render to export the final video. Your opening curtain transition is complete.